friends, welcome back my YouTube channel at the 127. So in this video you have total question 30. You have 5 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck. Are you ready? Let's begin. First question, what is the currency name of Sri Lanka? Option A, dollar. Option B, paisa. Option C, rupee. Option C, taka. So correct option is option C, rupee. Next question, which sea is lies between Asia and Africa? A. Black Sea, B. Caspian Sea, C. Indian Sea, D. Mediterranean Sea. The correct option is option D. Mediterranean Sea. Next question, which country has the strongest army in the world? Option A. India. Option B. USA. Option C. China. Option D. Russia. The correct option is option B. USA. Next question, which vitamin is not found in fruits and vegetables? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin D. The correct option is option D, vitamin D. Next question, which country has most number of dams in the world? Option A, United States. Option B, Canada. Option C, Russia. Option D, India. The correct option is option A, United States. Next question. Question 6. Rand is the currency of which country? Option A, Russia. Option B, Romania. Option C, South Africa. Option D, South Korea. The correct option is option C, South Africa. Next question. Which country is famous for its pyramids and the Sphinx? A, Egypt. B, Italy. C, China. D, Iran. The correct option is option A, Egypt. Next question. Which animals can live more than 200 years? A. Tortoise. B. Elephant. C. Shark. D. Leopard. So the correct option is option A. Tortoise. Next question is, white crow is found in which country? Option A. Japan. B. Bhutan. C. Finland. D. Nepal. The correct option is option C. Finland. Next question is, dragon is the national symbol of which country? A. Bhutan. B. Mexico. C. China. D. Malaysia. The correct option is option C. China. Next question is, which country has the most number of universities? A. India. B. China. C. Russia. D. America. The correct option is option A. India. Next question is, world's largest temple is located in which country? A. India. B. Cambodia. C. Myanmar. D. Indonesia. So the correct option is option B. Cambodia. Next question is, which bird is called as the king of birds? A. Dove. B. Eagle. C. Parrot. D. Peacock. So the correct option is option B. Eagle. Next question is, which animal can store water in its body? A. Tiger. B. Cow. C. Camel. D. Kangaroo. So the correct option is option C. Camel. Next question is, Amazon rainforest is located in which country? A. Russia. B. Brazil. C. China. D. Tanzania. The correct option is option B. Brazil. Next question is, the most overweight people lives in which country? A. Japan. B. Nauru. C. India. D. Spain. So the correct option is option B. Nauru. Next question is, which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? A. India. B. China. C. Brazil. D. Indonesia. So the correct option is option C, Brazil. Next question है, which country is known as the Red Iceland? A. Taiwan, B. Bahrain, C. Madagascar, D. New Zealand. So the correct option is option C, Madagascar. Next question है, in which country is the world's largest tortoise found? A. India, B. Russia, C. Australia, D. Sri Lanka. So the correct option is option C, Australia. Next question है, how many kilometers away can we hear the lions roar? A. 8 kilometer, B. 2 kilometer, C. 5 kilometer, D. 10 kilometer. So the correct option is option A, 8 kilometer. Next question है, what is the scientific study of birds known as A. Botany, B. Ornithology, C. Herpetology, D. Zoology. So the correct option is option B, ornithology. Next question है, which country has no trees in the world? A. Qatar, B. Russia, C. Malaysia, D. Indonesia. So the correct option is option A, Qatar. Next question है, which country has a double triangle in its flag? A. Nepal, B. China, C. Bhutan, D. Bangladesh. So the correct option is option A, Nepal. Next question है, which country has banned education for girls? A. Afghanistan, B. Malaysia, C. Pakistan, D. Myanmar. So the correct option is option A, Afghanistan. Next question है, which planet has the most number of rings in solar system? A. Uranus, B. Neptune, C. Saturn, D. Jupiter. So the correct option is option C, Saturn. Next question है, which is the longest river flowing in Asia? A. Yangtze River, B. Ganga River, C. Nile River, D. Congo River. So the correct option is option A, Yangtze River. Next question है, yak is the national animal of which country? A. Nepal, B. Siberia, C. Bhutan, D. Tibet. So the correct option is option D, Tibet. Next question है, which is the fastest flying insect in the world? A. Dragonfly, B. Honeybee, C. Mosquito, D. Mayfly. So the correct option is option A, Dragonfly. Next question है, which bird has the strongest sense of smell? A. Eagle, B. Crow, C. Pigeon, D. Vulture. So the correct option is option D, Vulture. आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन पे, विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट फिश इन वाटर? ए व्हेल शार्क, बी ट्यूना फिश, सी डॉल्फिन, डी जेलीफिश. इसका आंसर आप मुझे कमेंट में बताएंगे कि लार्जेस्ट फिश इन वाटर क्या है. गॉट इट? थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर टू फ्रेंड्स. बाय बाय.